Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a work order using the new chat feature in FM Dashboard. To get started, click the chat icon. You can either use the microphone icon to dictate your request or type your message directly into the chat field. For example, you can create a prompt such as create a work order for location 403. The HVAC unit is grounded and needs immediate repair. Assign the work order to repairman mechanical contractor and trade is HVAC. It will analyze your request and automatically generate the work order details. Before creating the work order, the system will display a summary for review, including the information such as trade, location, description, and the contractor, and if it's an emergency or not. Review the details and make any necessary adjustments. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm to proceed. FM Dashboard will then generate the work order and display it for final review. This feature provides a faster and more intuitive way to create work order using natural language, helping reduce manual entry and streamline the work order creation process.